If you don't get the right chain for your saw, you're gonna tear it up. Or worse yet, get injured. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get the right chain for your saw. I get people call me all the time. They say, I got a MS-170 with a 14-inch bar. I need a chain. Do you have one? Yeah, I do. And the next thing out of my mouth is bring your saw, bring your old chain, or bring your bar. Otherwise, we might not get the right one. The model of the saw, I don't care. I need 3 numbers. Number A, I need the pitch. Number C, need the gauge. And number 7, I need to know how many drive links it's got. This MS-170 is a prime example. There's 2 different chains can go on this saw, and you can't tell the difference by looking at them. Because these 2 chains look identical, but they're not, unless you got caliper eyes or something and can measure. Let me show you this. Yes, these 2 chains, yes, I can see the difference in the color, but you can't tell. They're the exact same pitch. These are 3/8 low pro. They're the exact same drive links, meaning your little alligator things, cogs, drive links. Same number, 55 drive links. The only difference in these 2 chains is how thick those drive links are. As you can see, this one's a 043. This one's a 050. This little MS-170 can come in a 050 or 43. That's why it's important to look at your bar and look at the numbers. See, that's a 043, 3/8 with 55 drive links. I hear you barking, big dog. I hear you. Hold on. If you can't read the numbers, I'm gonna show you what to do. All you need is this little inexpensive tool. Affiliate link below. This little tool will tell you all the information you need to get the correct chain. Now, let me show you how to use it. So, first thing we need is to figure out our pitch. Now, on this tool, you're gonna see 3/8, 404, which you'll probably never see, a 1/4 inch, or 325. The way you figure out which one is which on your chain, you can go right here, put a rivet in between the hole and hole. We know that's a 3/8 low pro. You'll notice the 404 doesn't line up correctly. See how that's off? That's way too big, you'll never see that. The 1/4 inch is too small, and the 325 is gonna be too small. See the difference there? Now, I've got to tell you something else about 3/8, okay? You'll get to a point to where when you get a certain size saw, you can have a 3/8 low pro or a 3/8 standard. You'll know the difference. 3/8 low pro is a little tiny chain. If you got a big, like a 20-inch saw, it's gonna have a 3/8 standard, okay? Now, you'll know, now that we know our first number, which is 3/8 in this case, we need to move on to the next thing. We need to know our gauge of this, which is how thick these drive links are. Now, you're gonna find that they're either 043, 050, 058, or 063. In this case, and all you do is just put it in there and see 043, see it goes right in. We know that's a 043 chain because it said it right on the box. But your old chain, see how it goes, see how wobbly that is? It doesn't do that in the 043, so that fits nice. And then the 050, and what'll happen if you put a 043 in a bar that requires an 050, it's gonna sit there, this chain will wobble in that bar and it's gonna wear your bar out. Now, for your third number, we need drive links. I generally get these 2 right here side by side and go 2, 4, 6, 8, blah, 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 all the way to the end. You can check that. All you need is your old chain and you can get the correct chain with those 3 numbers, okay? your drive, your pitch, and your gauge. But wait, this tool will do even more than that. These tabs sticking off the end, I want you to watch. You can barely read mine, I've used it so much. 050, it won't quite go in there. 043 slides in there perfectly, okay? And your 063, obviously that's even thicker. Hold on, there's more. If you put the wrong pitch chain, meaning you say put a 325 chain on a 3/8 saw, you are gonna tear your gear up on your clutch. This is the 043 bar. If you put a 050 chain and force it in here, it's gonna lock your chain up and it won't turn. If you force it, you know what you're gonna do? You're gonna burn your doggone clutch up. So when you go online, don't just look up MS 170 or Husqvarna 350 and just order a chain they say will fit, because it might not be the right one. And I want you to be safe with your saw. So now, get out there and go cut up some firewood. Don't want your wife freezing now, do we? Thanks for tuning in to Rayleigh's Small Engines. I'm T-Bone. Y'all come back to see it. Y'all click that subscribe button. Maybe share these videos with your friends and such. You know what I mean? I'll see you next time. I done broke the plastic.
Down so slick, grit teeth, eyes dead set. Ain't a mower he ain't fixed yet.